Modafinil is a wake-promoting chemical as well, you know. Right now, we haven't necessarily seen long-term studies that have systematically evaluated what taking modafinil would be in terms of brain or body physiology weekly doses. Most people I know and that we work with take it strategically only under kind of break glass in case of emergency conditions 4 or 5 times a year. We don't have any evidence that it has marked deleterious effects other than its addictive potential. I would say, though, that when you fight biology, you normally lose. The way you know you've lost is disease and sickness. That would be my only worry in terms of free lunches.
Any supplements that you found that add to the drug that could help with all these sleep analytics? Thanks.
Yeah, it's a very good question. I think at first one could cynically say if there were some Shangri-La of supplement good sleep that promised you the royal sort of night, the drug companies would have been over it, all over it 20 years ago and making billions of dollars from it. The fact that there aren't perhaps tells us something. I would say, though, that right now, one of the principal reasons that we have insomnia is because of biological and psychological anxiety and stress. It is what I would call the tired but wired phenomenon. I am so tired. I am just so tired, but I'm so wired, I can't fall asleep or stay asleep. There is evidence for 2 compounds, phosphatidylserine and also ashwagandha. Both of those seem to have the ability to tamp down the fight or flight branch of the nervous system and also, respectively, lower the amount of cortisol. They haven't been tested in the context of sleep, but they have been tested outside of the context of sleep for both of those indications. So normally, working with clients, we will often try to get them on something like that, around about 300 to 400 milligrams, together with 2 to 3 grams of glycine. And that seems to help with circadian rhythm realignment. Other than that, I would say combine that with behavioral interventions. Anything, as I said, that helps distract the mind, together with getting the physiology straight with those 2 supplements, is probably not a bad first step.
Thank you.
Amazing.